I watched as Hilda Vasquez cried when the lead investigator came into the courtroom. She did speak through a translator and said she would be hiring her own attorney, but in the meantime, the court appointed her a public defender. The judge did say that there is enough probable cause for the charges to move forward. Hilda Vasquez stood before a judge Monday, accused in her son Bryan's death. The arrest warrant lays out new details about what happened in the days leading up to the 12-year-old's disappearance and why investigators say this case is about more than a tragic accident.
We wish the outcome would have been different, but it's not the case. So we have to pursue and seek justice for Bryan.
Vasquez was booked Sunday on negligent homicide and second-degree cruelty to juveniles. An affidavit filed by Detective Mario Bravo says surveillance video showed Bryan running through the neighborhood nude the morning he vanished. Vasquez initially told police she last saw him around 3 a.m., but later admitted she didn't know exactly when he slipped out.
There has been a pattern of both negligence and abuse over Bryan's 12 years, and so we believe that we can prove that that pattern of negligence and abuse led to a severe injury.
Court records show that pattern began years ago. In 2013, a 3-month-old Bryan was hospitalized with broken bones and a skull fracture. Vasquez was his sole caregiver at the time and later pleaded guilty to neglect.
Criminal negligence is more than ordinary negligence. It's a gross deviation from the standard of care of what we would expect from normal parental supervision.
Loyola law professor Dane Ciolino says if this case goes to trial, jurors will be asked to consider that history and decide whether Vasquez's conduct amounts to a gross deviation from what any parent would do.
If this was a one-off incident where the child, just despite the best efforts of the mother, wandered off and was attacked by an alligator, that'd be one thing. But if the DA charges this case as negligent homicide, they're going to say that's not what we have here.
Monday, the judge ordered strict conditions if Vasquez is ever released, including no contact with her other children, enrollment in a monitoring program, and a ban on firearms. Friday, she'll be back in court to confirm legal counsel. On Monday, they will determine whether or not she gets bail. Tonight, she remains behind bars as this case unfolds. For now in New Orleans, Whitney Miller, WWL, Louisiana.